Hello guys, welcome to a new video this Sunday. So I'm doing this video today because I have prepared many interesting things that I wanted to share with you before the week starts, before the markets gets opened. I'm actually here in Spain for this weekend. So yeah, it's quite cool here, it's sunny. So yeah. Um, What is the first thing I want to talk about? Clearly, the first thing is Tesla. Tesla is doing really good movements in these days. We have very good movements here. Like you see, the markets did some ping pong between 4,000 and 5,000 area, and the market is quite consolidating. It's quite interesting move, but for the moment, what I really liked about this movement is that we stay above this area of resistance or support you see here. What I'm expecting for the next day is that the Tesla can come back to this level of high volume. So for guys who don't know this indicator, it's the PVP, price volume profile, and it's showing that the point of control of Tesla is here. So what I'm expecting is the share price going down and reaching for the 4,430 and 50 area. That's gonna be good points to reach in the next day. So for now, I'm recommending short selling, and maybe the price will consolidate in these levels, okay, for a few days, and then going and touching the famous trend line, which I call in this channel magical trend line because it's working really good in Tesla. I will show daily basis what I'm talking about. As you see, the blue trend line here is quite respected by the market, and every time the price goes down, it touches the trend line and then goes up. Once again, 2, 2, 3, 4, and here what I'm expecting is that the price comes back to the area of the point of control of high volumes, a high intensity of volumes, and then we can reach the trend line later. So quite interesting move here in Tesla. The second thing I want to talk about is Nvidia. So I keep same bets about it. As you know, I am quite bearish in the share price in Nvidia, and for now the price is doing exactly what we've been talking about, that the market broke this famous neckline of the price, goes down here and then rebounds and then broke again the trend line and goes back to 170, and Friday at the close of the market we had this nice bullish movement. So we came back to the neckline, which is 180, and like you see there are high volumes here, so it's the points of control, and the market comes back to this level. So what I'm expecting in this week about Nvidia is that the price goes back lower and form kind of, I will draw it here, kind of support here. So my bet actually in Nvidia is that the price will come back, will lose get $10 and then gets back to this support level, which is quite interesting to watch in the next few days. Thanks Nvidia, because right now it's offering really good movements. The price is well respected for the moment, and that's perfect for you guys who trade markets, who don't know to do exactly. So yeah, just by trading this good technical movements, you can have good return, guys. Next one is clearly the meta. So what is happening in meta? As you see, the price is going down, it's crashing, but nothing new for us. Why? Because if we downscale, we can see that meta is playing at this blue interval. What does this mean? That means that Tesla is moving between this support at 580 and this resistance at 676, and the price is actually quite respecting this area. So strategy, guys, here is clearly to sell here, buy at this level, buy at this level, sell here, and price now clearly it's going up and down between this golden level, I call it like that. So now for now I'm short selling it, and it's quite good move to do for the moment, and I expect that price goes back to 580 in short or medium term. So for this week I'm short selling it. I will not buy Meta until we have this good movement to lower area as we saw the last year. So yeah, guys, it's so important that you know that the market is quite cyclic, so the markets can go back and play in this area or these technical levels every time, and we are here to catch what the market is doing and try to get this good edges, good volatility levels where we can go and enter easily without without big risk. So yeah, I'm quietly thinking that the meta is very good share to do technical analysis and to get some high returns at the medium term. Okay, guys. So yeah, play some, buy here, buy low, sell high. So simple, yeah, it's simple, but yeah, by combining this different technical analysis, we can do some good bets. For the alphabet, clearly the market is bullish. If we see daily area, I will show you that, guys, or the weekly area, I can show you that the market is quite bullish. We are in a good buying momentum, and that's the uh, perfect share to have and to play with it these long-term investments. So the market is doing higher and higher lows, and that's what we call the bullish trend. So at the weekly level it's same, at the daily level it's same, and if we see the 1 hour, we have this correction for the moment that we were expecting, and this correction is working quite good for the moment. So for now I'm expecting that the bullish momentum will continue. As we see here, the MACD is becoming bullish too. It's offering good momentum. It's saying that the buyers are here. We have this momentum bullish in the hourly MACD. So for the moment, I stay bullish, and yeah, guys, with combining these volumes, RSI and ACD, you can have quite good return, and yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. So don't hesitate to combine all this technical analysis and have good profits. Yeah, it's quite good levels to go in, go out by MACD, which is bullish, RSI, which is quietly neutral, and volumes which are here at 316. So that's gonna be my take profits for the next day that I'm recommending. Buy here and sell here. Okay, guys, next one is Microsoft. So Microsoft is like Meta, it's playing in this famous blue ranges. I will draw it like here so you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so we stay in this blue consolidation area. That means that the price will continue to do that in the next days, and that's perfect when we have consolidation clear like this to continue playing with it, buy at this blue trend line and sell at the other, and the inverse is also true, it's also working. That's what I like about financial markets. There are clearly the first question you have to ask every time is what is the market doing, what is the trend. And to answer this question, you can use the moving average indicator, the simple moving average indicator, which cannot tell you if the market is bullish or bearish or we are in consolidation, because there is only three of what the market can do: go up, go down, or staying in the same place. And that is what's happening with Microsoft. Market is staying at this level in the same place for many days. That means that the actual trend is consolidation, and we have this area of consolidation which is highly respected by the markets. And once we understand that, the second question is how we're gonna profit from this market, or how we're gonna trade it. And it's quite simple. You can go out, be out of these levels. So you can do some trading, buying here, selling here, or inverse. And once the move out is confirmed, you're gonna stop loss and inverse your position. I don't know if it's clear for you guys. Don't hesitate to ask me in the comments how to do that. But yeah, for me, I think that's clearly points of how to good trade good markets or not. So when the market goes out, just inverse the situation, and yeah, the pricing momentum is pricing bullish momentum is confirmed, and then you can go like bullish or bearish if we broke this level down. I hope that's clear for you guys. Don't hesitate if you want uh, free course about this in the next days. So Nike is crashing, the Nike share. I don't know if you follow this one, guys, but fundamentally, Nike has shared very bad results, financial results in this quarter, and that drove the price down. That was really aggressive in Nike price. Um, Quite logical movement because Nike is doing really bad at this moment fundamentally with the tariffs impact. The price, the Nike is not doing good in terms of results or in terms of financial results. So yeah, what I expect for now is that Nike can come back to 65 level. For that, I will wait for some buyer interest, for some correction, and then maybe you can go in the market and expect to resell at 65 for the moment. And why not keep the share for the medium and long term? It's quite a good share. It will come back, but maybe it needs time. So I personally own Nike shares, and yeah, it's quite red at this moment. So, but I'm not selling. I will wait for some correction and higher levels. Okay, guys. So don't expect quick comeback to the 65, but I believe there are lots of volumes here. So yeah, the markets will correct, and it will go higher in the next days because it's quite a good share finally to have in the portfolio. It's Nike is here for the long term. And yeah, if you like me, losing in this one because fundamentally you can know how the company is doing. That's the secrets of the chef. So next one is Amazon. So Amazon is clearly bearish for me. Same here. I'm expecting to rebuy it at 215, which is quite a good support of price. The movement is bearish for the moment, like you see here. We have this. I will show you that, guys. Oh, first, we delete this one, and here we had some bearish trend, which is lower and lower highs, and then we have this breakout here at this level. But what I'm expecting is that bearish trend will win it over in Amazon, and we come back at this level of 210, and here we can expect bullish movement in the next day. But for the moment, yeah, I still quite bearish because technically it's the case, and like I say, guys, always the first thing to see it's what is the market doing, and quietly the Amazon is bearish. Technically, it's going down, and yeah, we will follow the trend. And if you bet against the trend, that's a big mistake to do in financial markets. Shopify, it's quietly going up, clearly. For Shopify, the same thing. I'm expecting a correction at this level of 150, 160, and then maybe it will be good to buy for the moment. For guys who missed this bullish movement, I expect that the price will correct, and then we can enter long or buy the market share. For the long term, I expect that maybe Shopify will go down at 135, which is very good level to enter long for the long term, for guys who don't want to broke with the headaches every day or owning assets for the long term. Shopify is really good to have, but it will take some time. And the last one for today, it's SOFI Technologies. SOFI Technologies is quietly bullish market in the last days, but I will draw it in a daily or weekly basis so you see what the market is doing. Like you see, guys, we are in a bullish movement in a weekly. The price is exploding here, and now we have some consolidation. So many of you are worried about this level of consolidation of the markets. What can the markets do in these days, if this consolidation will continue or not? So in a daily basis, clearly the MACD is bearish, the RSI is neutral, so technically it's quite a bearish signal, to be honest, guys. So for the guys who bought in like in 9, in 10, or with 50% profits, what's my personal recommendation is go out now before the markets crash. Okay, go out now, get some profits, guys. You can take breath about SOFI, and then we can have good level to buy. And for me, what is the good level to invest in SOFI? It's gonna be $20 level. It's perfect because here, like you see, we have good full volume here. There are lots of interest at these levels, and once the markets broke up this level of 20, the markets go up aggressively, and it was quite very good movements, very good 50% return in SOFI. So it's quite a good share to have for the long term, but in this week, in this short term pattern, I expect the markets going down for a few days, and then the new wave of bullish momentum will win it, and maybe we can expect new bullish wave in the next few days, next few weeks. Okay, guys. So yeah, I expect clearly a consolidation for the moment and bearish trend in the next days, and then a new bullish wave that's gonna be more aggressive than we had before. Okay, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for following this late of week analysis of how the market's gonna move in the next days. So thank you for following until the end this video, and don't hesitate to write in the comments if it's bullish, bearish in the financial markets in the next day, in your opinion, and why you believe that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.